The 5-piece insulated impact socket set from Orion Motortech includes 5 of the most common metric impact sockets in sizes 15mm, 17mm, 19mm, 21mm, and 22mm. These sockets fit half-inch drive, hand, or power impact wrenches for easy replacement of your vehicle's lugs. Constructed from chromoly steel, able to withstand vibration from impact wrenches far better than regular sockets made from less ductile steel. The color coding doubles as a coating, further improving their corrosion resistance. The protective sleeve and non-marring inserts included with these tools prevent scratches to your vehicle's rims or lug nuts during operation. The 6-point design provides a firm, non-slip grip for removing or installing lug nuts. The spacious inserts leave sufficient room to remove long bolts from your car. Every wheel lug socket is laser etched and color coded with specific size for easy identification, while the blow molded storage case makes organization, transporting, and storage a breeze. The 5-piece insulated impact socket set from Orion Motortech, helping you get more life in your car.